Perfect. So now everyone should be able to hear me. I'm updating the YouTube link. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Let's restart. So again, as I said in the beginning, I really appreciate everyone in the community. You're helping tons. You're really helping me, especially to get attention and so on. So again, just really wanted to say, really appreciate it. What I'm going to show you today is the investor stack. Basically, it's a presentation that you show to potential investors. You show them the startup, you show them what we solved, the problem, your details, how much money we're already earning, stuff like that, what the user says, and so on. So like I built it today, I collected all the information, I built it with Lovable, like vibe coded it. And yeah, let's start. So as you all know, Kolbo.AI is like the creative operation system for AI creators. We don't look at ourselves as like we're not like a template website or like a stupid website to create one video. We look on ourselves like a creative operation system. This is why we have a desktop app and plugins and mobile app and tons of stuff. We want to be the obstacle that connect everything to one place. So as I said already, the problem we solve is that the creators, they don't think in prompts, they think in project. They have a project in mind, they just want to solve it. Okay, this is what we're solving. So right now, the problems they have that they switch tools all the time, they re-explain their context all the time, they need to rebuild their assets all the time, and so on. Let me also in Twitter show you my screen. It will be more fun for you guys. Cool, okay? So Kolbo is built around those projects. You give us the context of your project, and we try to adapt all the tools around it to this project's context. So what is actually the product? The product is a web app, a desktop app, Adobe Premiere and After Effects plugins, and a mobile app. Okay, we're trying to wrap around everything. We offer you chat tools, image tools, video tools, audio tools, and websites, and we also have a lot of unique tools, but you get the point. One subscription, and everything is connected. This is what makes it very hard to leave. Once you are in and you get used to the ecosystem, it will be extremely hard for you to leave. It will be painful. So what is the business model? The business model is, first of all, subscriptions. We want users to get used to pay us every month. On top of that, and you guys already can feel it, sometimes you're just out of credits and you need to buy a credit pack. This is a pay-as-you-go top apps. And it's flexible. You can buy extra credits anytime. We also have the white label option. As you all know, we have a one college white label. White label is like when a brand resell your brand as its own product. So we have one college here in my country that resell Kolbo.AI as their own platform. And they pay us $1,000 a month. Right now, we're running with a pilot with them. They paid $500 for 3 months. So $1,500 for the whole 3 months. Honestly, I'm still waiting for that payment because it's like you need to wait like until they transfer it. Like there is some rules here that you need to wait like 90 days and shit. Sorry, no, I'm confused. They paid $3,000 for those 3 months because they also purchased 100,000 credits. And we built for them a dashboard to give around the credits for all the students. We solve for them the problem of like creating a separate subscription for every student that sign up to their college. And you all know, like students, they stay for a few months in one course, they move between courses. It's like not reliable to make subscriptions for them. So all of that is like our business model. Also, we have affiliate program, which means any creator in the app can be very fast our own marketer. So it's a usage-based economics with ultra lean cost structure. What is the traction today? We have already, our MRR, the monthly recurring revenue, is already $7,200. We have already 250 plus paying subscribers. It means it's people that actually have monthly plan and they don't cancel, they stay there. We have above 8,000 users. All of them are organic. We didn't did any paid marketing, and we are estimated at around 90,000 annual revenue. It's what we make in 1 year. Now, again, we not exist already 1 year, so it's like estimated. Again, everything is completely organic, and we have Sapir College for $1,000 in a month. Okay, so how we actually going to growth? So far it's all was organic. What we want to do next is to be creator-focused content and education. We want to give as much education content to get more marketing in. The education content is the actual marketing. We also want to do partnership with creative communities, contests, stuff like that. We want to make onboarding for groups and marketing companies and so on that actually convert them to be paying users. And of course, also our community and the meme coin, it's also great distribution channel. Again, in general, distribution is everything today, not the technical terms, not programming and stuff. That's easier today. What is hard is distribution. So of course, this is our main focus for growth. Let's talk a little bit about competitors. So our competitors are Higgsfield, Crea, FreePick. That's the main players. Where we are different, we have chat tools. All of them don't have any chat tools, and they don't look like to integrate it. So it means you anyway will need to have more subscriptions. Image tools, of course, they all have. Actually, that's a mistake. I need to fix it. Video tools, of course, they all have. That's a mistake. I need to fix it. Project-based organization, that's a tricky one. We can kind of say FreePick have it. Team collaboration tool, they actually all have it, but we have the best ones, I believe. Credits rollover only in our platform, it actually works. And websites and presentations, none of them actually give it. We try to give you actually vibe coding tools. Maybe later on it will be actually like Lovable and so on. So who is the team? Currently the team is me, Zohar Vanunu, Lior David is our CMO. And after the raise, we would want to hire a CTO. CTO is the actual guy that is the expert about the programming, the technology, and so on. Currently, the CTO is me, right? The problem is I don't have development skills. Like, I taught myself and I got to a very good point. But, if we want to scale, we need to bring someone that really, really, really knows what is doing, especially for stability and distribution. With that being said, it might be possible that we won't hire a CTO and we'll just hire developers instead. So I think the conclusion is our main goal was building the product was the first phase. Now building the company is the next, right? What are we actually aiming for? So we're aiming for $150,000 investment for 2.5 million valuation. It means we're going to give around 10% of the company. We might give less, who knows? It depends. What is actually unique in our platform? The creative director tool, it's like our own IP and the way it works. It's not like just API that we connect. And the visual DNA, it's our own system. We also have the AI docs, AI boards, video editor, audio studio, landing pages, multi-language. It's all kind of unique in our platform. What users say, we actually need still to connect testimonials. This is just bullshit right now, but we have tons of testimonials to receive. What is our risk? So currently the churn rate is quite high, but for this kind of platforms, it's not really high. It's 25%. 25% of paying users, subscribers are canceling. We're still growing team, meaning we're still a little bit not stable. And yeah, so those stuff not really important. I also made a video. It's like based on the Pump Fund video that just show like me. I'm talking about the product and so on. Because as you can see, we have it like in a website. And yeah, that's like former companies. So Fall.AI were raised in valuation of 4.5 billion. Higgsfield for $1.3 billion. Pika Labs, which is also from my country, $900 million. Crea, $500 million. So yeah. And that's it. This is me. So that's the deck that been working on today. I also worked on a one page, but that's basically it. If anyone have question, let me know. I would love to answer. But yeah, I think that's like really important part in our journey. Like the moment we will get investment, we could do tons of stuff. Another cool thing I want to show you guys, we actually we have buyers every day already with the Kolbo coin in Kolbo, which is extremely cool. Let me show you. So this is the wallet of the Kolbo coin. And as you can see, if I will go here to transaction, you could see that today we had 3 payments received, and yesterday we had 4 payments received. And that's really cool. It means users actually buy Kolbo coins to use Kolbo.AI. Okay, that's extremely cool. Let me show you what I mean. So basically, if you go to Kolbo in the desktop, by the way, and you press here on the crown, it will give you to the one-time payments. And if you will connect your wallet, you could buy Kolbo credits for 40% discount. So as you can see, we had 7 purchases in the last 2 days. And like, that's kind of exciting. Maybe it sounds not a lot, but for me, it's very exciting. It means people actually used the crypto payments to buy credits. And you also have here a video that explains. So yeah, that's like just really cool thing to show you. It means the utility actually work as an utility. I think that's it for today. Kind of cool. Let me show you the one page. One moment. So the one page, it's like something investor can just look briefly to see if it's interesting for them, okay? You just show like all the stats and so on in one page, right? So you can see here all the presentation, important information just in one page, the ARR, the MRR, and so on. Now, you guys should know, like if an investor actually interested, I need to show proofs for everything here. So you can't just made up like information. You need to actually collect all the data properly to say that this is what you want. So yeah, that's basically it, I think, for today. Thank you so much for everyone joining. Basically, my goal for the next days is to create the courses for Kolbo.AI. I also have some collaborations that I need to do for the courses. Continue the contest. I love to see your, your submission. It looks really cool. You can always buy credits and resubmit if you want. Again, I remind you, when you buy credits with Kolbo coin, you're actually helping to raise the value of Kolbo. So don't feel bad about it. We actually lose money when you buy those credits because we can't really use that money right now. It's all going to the developers' wallets, and we're never going to sell right now. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for everyone joining, and rock on. Let me know if you have any question. Yeah, I'm sorry, we're done already because like in my country, Friday is like kind of small holiday, so I need to go to be with family. But I really wanted to show you that we're working on the deck and the one page, because our biggest goal right now is to get invested. Okay, that's the biggest thing. That's the thing that slows us down right now. Like our hands tied up. So yeah. By the way, I discovered today that the Pump Fun Hackathon winners, it might be announced only until the 30th of February. They didn't write it in their page, but I discovered it in one of their posts. Let me show you. So in the post of the competition, they did one trade of the frequently asked questions. Let me see where it is. Yeah, What is the deadline to apply? You see, February 18, and then they said, when will winners be announced? First winners by day 30. I don't know even what it means, day 30. But yeah, that's like a bummer. I hope they will announce the winners on the 18. If not, so not. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. We'll see you tomorrow, of course.